Micron has now committed $10 billion to a research lab as its newest bid in the tech landscape. The company announced Micron Research Labs this Thursday. Now, Micron Research Labs is a new research institution headquartered in Boise, Idaho. It is backed by a planned $10 billion investment over the next decade. And Micron calls it the first dedicated memory research hub of its kind in the country. The lab will essentially focus on next-generation memory technologies. It will also work on advanced computing architectures, semiconductor packaging, and manufacturing. Micron plans to break ground on a purpose-built campus in 2027. The site is expected to host hundreds of researchers, and the funding will support partnerships with universities and satellite labs across the world. Now, CEO Sanjay Mehrotra said that the investment is about looking around the corner to the memory and compute systems the future will demand. He said that the lab brings together the best minds across academia, government startups, and industry. He also said that America's AI future will be built on American-made memory. Now, this $10 billion lab sits apart from Micron's earlier pledge. The company has separately committed more than $250 billion to U.S. manufacturing and research through 2035. That broader plan is expected to support more than 90,000 jobs. Now, total Micron investment announcements now top $60 billion, including two $25 billion fabrication plants already in construction in Boise. The U.S. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick praised the move, saying it will strengthen the American innovation and create hundreds of jobs out there. According to Yahoo Finance, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang and Apple CEO Tim Cook also issued supportive statements crediting Micron with helping drive breakthroughs for the next era of AI and computing. Now, before I give you the front page take on the story, here's an update you cannot miss. Do not forget what's coming this October. Cypher 2026 lands at KTPO Bengaluru from October 7th to 9th. With Arjun Erigaisi, Lakshmi Iyer and Sumit Dagar on the lineup, there's plenty to look forward to. So get your passes, bring your curiosity, and we'll see you there. With that, here's the front page take on the story. $10 billion for research sounds smaller next to the $250 billion manufacturing pledge. But allocation of money is actually the easiest step in the entire rigmarole of development. Factory scale known technology, a research lab establishment is Micron aiming to invent the next generation of memory before the rivals do. And that groundwork determines whether the manufacturing capacity being built right now stays relevant a decade from now or not. Betting on research this early is what separates a company chasing today's AI boom from one trying to shape whatever comes after it. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AI Network. Like, share, and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.